When you search for over-sink dish racks, everything looks the same. Same claims, same features, but the real differences don't just show up in the pictures. You have to dig a little deeper to find what truly works for your kitchen. Product number 1, JASIWAY Dish Drying Rack. The JASIWAY Dish Drying Rack caught my eye with its sleek stainless steel design and expandable functionality, priced at $25.44. If you want a space-saving solution that fits seamlessly over or in your sink, this is worth a serious look. It can hold up to 70 pounds, which is impressive for such a compact design. Plus, its automatic drainage feature means you won't deal with messy puddles on your countertop. Now, some people complained about the size flexibility not fitting all sinks perfectly. Here's the thing though, if you have a standard sink, this shouldn't be an issue, but it might not work for deeper or wider sinks. This is perfect for you if you live in a small apartment or want to maximize your kitchen space without clutter. Skip this one if you have an unusually large or deep sink that might not accommodate it. For the price, it's a solid investment for anyone looking to keep their kitchen organized. Product number 2, Kitcher Dish Drying Rack. Next up is the Kitcher Dish Drying Rack, which is a bestseller at just $19.99. I was drawn to its compact design and ease of use. If you're tight on kitchen space but still want an effective drying solution, this is a great option to consider. The bottom layer measures 12.2 inches wide and can hold up to 10 plates and a few bowls. This means you can keep your countertop neat while drying your dishes. Plus, the rust-resistant material ensures it won't warp easily, even with daily use. However, some users mentioned that the installation can be tricky if you don't read the instructions thoroughly. Here's the thing though, once set up, it's straightforward and easy to clean, which makes up for that initial hassle. This is ideal for those who have limited counter space and want a neat, organized drying area. Skip it if you prefer a larger rack or have more dishes to dry daily. It's a budget-friendly choice that doesn't skimp on quality. Product number 3, SAYZH Over the Sink Rack. The SAYZH Over the Sink Dish Drying Rack is priced at $29.99 and features an adjustable design that really caught my attention. If you're looking for a customizable drying solution, this one definitely stands out. It expands from 25.5 to 33.5 inches, making it suitable for most sink sizes. What I love is that it allows for efficient use of your sink space, letting water drip directly into the basin, keeping your counter dry. The organized storage layout means your plates, cups, and utensils stay separated and easy to access. But here's the catch. Some users found it a bit bulky for smaller kitchens. Here's why it's still worth it. If you have the space, the organizational benefits far outweigh the size concern. This is perfect for families or anyone who washes a lot of dishes at once. Skip this if you have a tiny kitchen where space is at a premium. Considering its features, the price is quite reasonable for what you get. Product number 4, SAKYUGI Over the Sink Rack. Next is the SAKYUGI Over the Sink Dish Drying Rack, which is a fantastic deal at $19.99. I appreciated its large capacity and adjustable size, which makes it super practical. If you have a diverse set of dishes to dry, this one is for you. This rack can be adjusted from 30 to 33.9 inches, and it's built to accommodate a variety of kitchen items, from dishes to cutting boards. The design allows for efficient drainage directly into the sink, which keeps your counter dry. Plus, the stainless steel build means it's resistant to rust and corrosion. However, a few users reported issues with the assembly instructions being unclear. Honestly, once you get it set up, the usability is excellent, so it's a minor issue in the grand scheme of things. This is perfect for anyone who wants a versatile drying solution that can handle various kitchen items. Skip it if you need a more compact option for a smaller setup. For the cost, it's a steal given its features and capacity. Product number 5, Kitcher Over the Sink Rack. Last but not least is the Kitcher Over the Sink Dish Drying Rack, retailing at $21.99. This one promises large storage space and a functional design, making it hard to resist for anyone wanting to streamline their drying process. It adjusts from 26.8 to 33.9 inches, accommodating most standard sinks with ease. Plus, it features suction cups to prevent slipping, which is a nice touch. On the downside, some users found it challenging to install without help. But here's the thing, once you get it set up, the stability and organization it offers make it well worth the effort. This is perfect for busy kitchens that need efficient storage solutions. Skip it if you prefer a simpler single-tier rack. For the price, the functionality and design make it a worthwhile investment. So to wrap it up, if you're looking for a compact and effective drying solution, JASIWAY and Kitcher offer great options at budget-friendly prices. For more space and organization, consider SAYZH or SAKYUGI. And if you want a versatile setup, the Kitcher over-the-sink rack is a solid choice. No matter your kitchen size, there's something here for everyone.